Just reaching. Why is in so hurry? I don't understand.
Must be shivering.
There he is.
Huh.
See, waiting eagerly. Bro, honeybee brandy. One for you, one for me. And food is also there. Paratha and beef curry.
Have you brought cigarettes?
Do you have? Bro, I have taken 2 cigarettes. Sister, child delivered. No. Sister delivered child. We have to go there. Let's go.
Sir, please give some water. May I stay here this night?
If no problem.
What problem? I'm delighted to see this. Honeybee. Best for this weather.
Let's drink.
What?
Liquor.
Let's drink one.
What's on your cheek?
One more. They told me there will be one person. But there were 3 men. They beat me when objected. I'm not eating.
You're home? Not enough? Okay, did not reply.
Give that cigar for reply.
Huh?
Prema. That's my name. Residence is just 10 km away. Your name?
My name is Nasir.
Nasir. Ex-hero's name. Are you a lover?
I was. Now chronic alcoholic. Why aren't you using jasmine on hair?
For what?
People recognize you only you have jasmine and lipstick.
I am living freely because nobody recognizes.
Your smile is dull, Prema.
I'm hungry, Nasir. I didn't eat anything in the noon.
This cover is having parotas. Shall we have it?
Okay. Huh. I was just thinking of eating beef today.
Did you ask me the permission to stay due to fear?
No fear at all. There'll be police at night. Why should I? Besides, it's raining also.
Then why are you doing this job?
Aren't you eating? Let me feed you.
Prema, you don't look like a girl doing such job. You look like a teacher.
Thoughts are problematic. No thoughts, no problem.
Are you educated?
Up to degree. I'm born and brought up in elder uncle's home. He was looking after my studies. My elder uncle expired and I graduated my degree in the same year. After his death, I was a burden for uncle's family. Meanwhile, I even had a love affair. And it resulted in marriage. He was after me and disturbed a lot. Finally, he came home asking for me. He is having full setup. Very handsome fellow. He is working in Chennai. They didn't inquire anything in detail. Married me off. Then I accompanied him to Chennai. Those were the days I loved to live. He sold me for prostitution at a good price. Then for 1 year, his friends, strangers, everyone raped me. Then one night, he took me to a strange place and escaped. Earlier asked me why I chose this job. Then he left me in a strange place. Nobody was there to help me or feed me food. My last resort was to do prostitution to lead my life. There will be some situations in life where we have to decide to live or die. They don't consider me as a street dog. Totally ignored me. In some situations, we can't decide what to do. You should experience to know that. I experienced that. I decided to live and to make money. Really, I'm fed up, sir. It's not a machine under my skirt. How did you become an alcoholic?
I married a girl. I loved her. She had an affair, so she left me.
Fantastic.
I'm so sad after she left me. That's the saddest part of my life. Sometimes I feel very lonely. To overcome that situation, coming here in some circumstances.
For successful life, we have to overcome certain circumstances. What was her name?
Aisha.
Why don't you marry again? You will get a good girl.
You are looking very awesome.
But I'm not good.
You sleep. I stand outside.
It's going to be raining. Cool breeze is there. Should I sleep alone?
It's the smell of sweat.
Shall we go?
By bus or bike?
By walking. People exploited her. She still has love fragrance. People who approached her for lust can't understand that her fragrance was not in her body, but on her mind. She's my flower to spread fragrance in my life.